Over the past years of my finance journey, I've learned and articulated my skills to the point that I'm here teaching you guys about finance. But how did I do it? How did I become the master of finance? I started my finance journey in the 8th grade, intrigued by the idea of stock picks and trading. So obviously, I went to the one place where I could learn about it, YouTube. I watched a man named Graham Stephan religiously every day, to the point that his videos would be playing in the background of me doing my homework. Fast forward to today, I couldn't have done it without. So Graham, if you're watching this, thanks man. Well, enough about me. How will you become a master of finance? Well, first, I want you to find the specific topic in finance which makes you the most engaged. For me, it was stock picks and trading. Then simply build upon that engagement. After learning about stock picks and trading, I moved on to learning about interest rates and how the Federal Reserve raises these rates and how that raising affects the price of markets. For you, it could be personal financial literacy, things like budgeting, retirement, etc. Then you can build upon those topics by learning about Roth IRAs and just overall savings accounts. Second, read. I know the last video was labeling the 3 books to read for finance, but this time, let's go a bit further. Read articles to keep in touch with daily affairs. Now, for those of you who find this tedious, I subscribe to something called The Morning Brew, not sponsored by the way, where they email me an article every morning about business as a whole. Just reading helps to boost curiosity and keeps you cash curious.
He said it!
Third, do what I couldn't do. Growing up, I was never allowed to opening a brokerage account, an account which you need to invest in stocks. Try your best into getting investing as early as you can, starting off with stock market simulators, then moving on your way to the real deal. For my story, I had progress. I use stock simulators today and give my friends advice about what stocks to buy and when they should buy. Lastly, there's always going to be someone smarter than you. I don't say this to demotivate you, rather the opposite. Never feel like you know enough, keep trying to learn, and keep trying to expand your knowledge. Well, I hope you learned something today. Bye.